Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. So let's get diving into the news. So these are really sad news in these trying times. Yoruba nation, we need to be at alert. We need to be watchful. There have been hearing a lot of killings happening all over in Kwara states. They are now moving now to Ibadan. They're moving to different parts of the country. Yoruba nation, this is the time for us to get up. This is the time for us to speak up. This is not the time for us to keep quiet. There was a video that was showing a trunk filled with Fulanis. They were up to like 200. Some of them were hidden under bags of rice, under cows. And when they checked inside the trunk, they found guns. They were heavily armed. These people are not laughing at all, and we shouldn't laugh at them also. These people are coming with us with anger and fury. This is the time for us to stand up as a nation. Yoruba nation, this is the time for us to stand up. They are coming in their numbers. Many of them are coming in. Some are driving bikes, are stealing, killing people, kidnapping people. Our Yoruba leaders, this is time for us to stand up. This is time for us to support the Yoruba nation. This is not time for us to keep quiet. Because if we keep quiet, more people will be killed. Yoruba must be at alert. Governments are not concerned about us. They have been killing us for how many years? And we have just been complaining. They have been showing it in the news. But have they been saying anything? No. They have been quiet. This is so sad. Why are the Fulani attacking us like this? What did we do to them? They started from the Middle Belt. Now they're moving to the Yoruba nation. What is it? What have we done? Yoruba nation, this is time for us to stand up. Sunday Igboho has been telling us to stand up, but we have been quiet. Sunday Igboho said, let Nigeria be Nigeria. He's not stopping it. He's not saying Nigeria, everybody should scatter. No, that is not his point. Let Nigeria be Nigeria. Let them contest for their election. Let them conduct their election. Free and fair, reached, that is their business. But all he is asking for is that Yoruba nation is succeeding out of Nigeria. No matter what they say. All those people coming out to contest for elections, they are coming out to bribe us now. But after 4 years, we'll see the outcome of our foolishness. We saw the Buhari regime. He wants to come and take away corruption. He wants to come and fight against corruption. Can we see what is happening now? In fact, in the time of Goodluck, corruption was not as much as this. The kidnapping, Boko Haram bandits was not as much as his own time now. Almost 8 years of suffering. 8 years of bad governance. 8 years of kidnappings. 8 years of killing innocent people. Look at the Herdsmen, for example. They killed a lot of people. And some people are still saying that they did not kill anybody in the Herdsmen. Can you imagine? Yoruba nation. Nobody should deceive us. The government are not concerned about us. All they want is our vote. And when we casted our votes for them, we'll see the consequences. Some people will still be foolish enough to still vote for them. Vote. No, go ahead and vote. When you vote for them, you sit down, and when 4 years is done, we'll see whether you'll be able to change your mind again. They will tell you different things, lie to you. Don't worry, everything will be okay. Just vote for me. Let them conduct their election, Yoruba nation. Let them conduct their election. Let us move out on our own. The Yoruba nation, we are standing against the Nigerian government because we have really suffered hell in their hands. We have suffered more than what our mouth can even say. Imagine them going into churches to kill people. Imagine. I don't know, maybe because the Yorubas in Lagos State, I don't know, maybe they're not concerned because they have not entered into Lagos. But have you been hearing people saying from Kwara, from Ondo, from Osun State? Have you been hearing? Hey, they are coming out in their numbers. Oh. They will not come one day. No. They are not making use of those trucks that normally bring tomatoes and pepper from the northern states. They are hiding there. Those trucks that normally bring in cows. That's where they are hiding now. Nobody can stop them. But if we, the Yoruba nation, can succeed from this country and go on our own way, then they will not affect us any longer. We are tired. We are tired of the killings. Our government are not saying anything. All they are saying, don't worry, just give us a little time. They are not doing anything. What is happening? If we call out in our millions, they will listen to us. But we have been quiet for so long. That's why they think they are not really sure about this thing they're talking about. That is what they feel. We need to come up. We need to stand up. We need to support those that have been supporting us. Sunday Igboho. We need to support him. He has been the only one standing up for some time now. And we have been sitting there in our houses. He's not suffering, no. He's abroad. But he's helping us. Those of us here, that we are inside Dañgerøús. I need that in the day. We need to stand up. We've not suffered. We have not suffered. Yoruba nation, this is time for you to stand up. Yoruba nation, this is time for you to speak up. Hand in hand together, we can make this work. Divided we fall. In unity we stand. Let's come together. Hold hands together and make this work out. Nobody will help us do it. We are the one that wants a good country, right? Then we should stand up and fight for it. Look at those in Kenya. They fought for it. In Syria alone, they fought for their freedom from bad governance. What are we waiting for? Isn't it until our children come into this suffering and also suffer together? Isn't it until our generations come and suffer with us before we have that sense to stand up? When are we going to wake up from our slumber? When are we going to wake up from our stupidity? When? You're scared of being killed? Really? You're still enjoying the suffering? Oh my goodness. So you are not tired of this suffering. You are scared of, they will shoot me. Really? Let us stand up against these people. Because if we don't stand up, more suffering. Suffering.com. I don't know if you understand that part. Suffering.com. That is going to happen to us. Yoruba nation, it's time for us to be wise. We have been silent from the past. We have been too quiet for these Fulanis. They not think we are scared of them. And truly, we are scared of them. Because when they come with arms and bug into someone's house, they kill people. So we are scared. But when we stand up against them, they would never come near us. Yoruba nation, let's be at alert. The Fulanis are not smiling. We should not smile with them also. They have been killing our brothers, our sisters, our uncles, our aunts, our mothers, our fathers. We should not take this lightly with them. Please comment on the comment section. Let's talk about this. What's happening? Let's talk about what's happening. Let's talk about what's happening. Because the Hausas, the Fulanis are coming in their numbers. They are being shipped in from their land to different Yoruba states. And they are not smiling. Please, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And for those who have not liked our video, please don't forget to like it. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much. God bless.